COVID-19 outbreak brings out the issue of cleaning and disinfection of the environment. Our next company, Mendetland Enterprise Corporation, focuses on the core of innovative disinfection systems for operation room. Let's now take a look at their video first.
Hello everyone, my name is Ray Yang, and I'm the sales manager of Mediland, Taiwan. I'm responsible for the CIS and Southeast Asia market. Today, it's such a great honor to introduce our company and our products. Mediland as a leading medical company, we provide the best solution for the surgical equipment and the disinfection products. Today, let's go to find out. Now, let's have a close look about our surgical table. This is the Aries 8000, our first modular design surgical table. He has so many unique and exclusive design for this table. For example, he has a carbon fiber sections for each part, 4 carbon fiber, large carbon fiber and small carbon fiber, and it has a smart link. You can easy to remove and plug in, and very easy to relocate to any position you want to. And there's many alternative choices. You can buy the pelvic sections, kidney elevator for different positions, and you can choose the carbon fiber extender for the C-arm. And of course, most importantly, there's many ways to control this table, such as auxiliary controller in the center column and the wireless remote control. Most importantly about this table is the Bluetooth control system. So we can use the Bluetooth to control this table and relocate it to any position you want to. You can record the memory and one button and you can record the position you want. Very easy and very convenient for all the end users. I'm going to introduce about the Hyperlite disinfection robot. And this device can generate 254 UVC to kill all the potential threats like pathogens, microorganisms, bacteria, virus from the surface. And what is the unique part about our design? Okay, as you can see, this rotational reflectors can enhance the UVC dosage to maximum double the UVC dosage. And the Armagon can output 12,100 for the total performance, and it can service for 12,000 hours. The walking distance is about 5 meters, and it only takes 5 minutes for each spot to process the disinfection job. For this room, 1, 2, 3, we only need 3 spots, total 15 minutes to deliver the disinfection job. And we can use the tablet to control this device, and we can record it works or not. Everything can record it after you use it. And then we can provide all the test report, clinical report from the hospital to prove it works. Thank you for your attention.
And now we would like to invite to the stage Mr. Ray Yang, International Sales Manager of Mendetland. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a warm welcome.
Good day, everyone. Hello, the friends on the YouTube. Hello. Hello, everyone. My name is Ray Yang. I'm the International Sales Manager of Mediland. Today is very exciting to share with you about our products. Okay. First, let's look about our companies. We have 4 major products, 4 major product lines. Of course, we have more than 3 decades experience about manufacturing surgical table. That's our major product. So, surgical table, surgical light, and integration system, including the pendants. Of course, in 2015, we started a new department to develop the disinfection robot, which is our UVC Hyperlite. And today, I'm going to present, because this is held by the Taiwan Excellence. Thank you, Taiwan Excellence. And we were going to present 2 products, which is the winner of the Taiwan Excellence. One is our surgical table, Aries 8000, and the other one is the Hyperlite disinfection robot. And I'm going to quick review about the surgical table. Then, basically, the main character today is about the disinfection robot. Okay, let's have a look. So, as you can see,
This is quite something about the Mediland. This is our figures. We have 13 existing models. In the same time, we can provide 30 models from the economic entry-level surgical table to the full carbon fiber smart and premium surgical table. So that's our advantage. So we can provide comprehensive surgical options for the users. And now today we're going to look about the Aries 8000, the winner of the Taiwan Excellence 2020. And it's the first modular design surgical table. He has so many exclusive parts and comprehensive accessories. So let's have a look about this surgical table. Okay, as you can see, it's like a Lego. It has so many parts, and you can just choose whatever the options and the accessory and the parts you need, and combine as a different combinations for the users, for the surgeons. And because you want the detached or the attached table, so it has to be super lightweight, to easy to the surgeons or nurse to help you to remove it. So we have a smart link design, and the surgical table is a combination of the carbon fiber. Okay, you see the pictures. We have so many exclusive design for this surgical table, which including the full carbon fiber on board here. And the carbon fiber extensions is for the better see-on coverage. And of course, the tabletop is carbon fiber made as well. And you can choose 2 pieces split leg sections or single foot board, and you can choose the optional kidney elevators, pelvic sections. So you can see many choices, many options for these surgical tables. Most importantly, we apply the Bluetooth wireless control systems. What is the benefit about this design? You see, surgical table might share with different surgeons. They might have many doctors, nurses that using the same table in the same room, right? But many doctors, surgeons, they have different size, the tools, and different privilege. So they might choose different positions or different heights. And they can record their name, use the Bluetooth, and then they can memorize the position they're already setting up. And once the next time when they do the surgery, they just call out the memory and put the 1 buttons and they can record the positions. The surgical table will just relocate it to the position they want to do the surgery. So it's very convenient for the user. Okay, and after this, I'm going to present the main character today, our star, the Hyperlite. Okay, before we introduce about the Hyperlite, everybody thinks it's about because the COVID-19 we cannot this product. No, actually, as I mentioned, we developed these models at 2015, start this program. And back to that time, because why we want to introduce this product to the market is because we want to reduce the HAI from the hospital, which means internal infections. And because we want to help the healthy care environment to improve the healthy care systems to reduce the HAI. So we studied this and we find out the UVC technology can effectively to terminate the passengers, the microgens, the threat from the hospital in order to improve the healthy care systems. So that's why we try to invent this product. Okay, let's have a look about this GE Healthy Care report. This is a report from the market of the United States. So you can see the figures here. There's around 100,000 people dead because the internal infections, the HAI issues. That cause a lot of burden, not just to the hospital, but also to the society. It's not necessary cost, but they do actually create a giant damage to the hospital, to their reputations, or even though to their own people. The doctors and the nurses, the workers working inside, they might get infections as well. So this is a giant spend every year because of the HAI issues. Let's see the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic. Till this week, you see, it's almost globally phenomenon. Over 180 countries has cases and caused over 1 million people dead. What about Taiwan? I want to emphasize about Taiwan. Actually, we do a great job, right? We only have 500 cases, it's only 7 deaths. And most importantly, more than 6 months, we have no local cases. This is quite something. This is very remarkable achievement we do. And that's why we can share, we definitely had the point to stand out to emphasize about how good we are about our disinfection products. Okay, let's look about the technology, how and what can do about our Hyperlite. It used the German side wavelengths of 254 nanometer wavelengths, and it's similar theory from the sunlight. So it's absolutely not toxic and ozone-free. This particular 254 nanometer is identified as the most effective wavelengths can inhibit the DNA RNA replications. When the DNA RNA start replications, and they will be eliminated, it will terminate. So that's why we use this technology. Compared to the other products, they might have a UVA, UVB, and UVC. But UVC is a sections. These all sections called UVC, and 254 already identified as the most effective wavelengths. That's why we only take 254 nanometer for this product. Okay, what's the specialty about our UVC lamp? You can buy many different kind of UVC lamp from the market, from the eBay, from the Amazon. There's such massive options on the internet. You can survey, you Google. Why you choose Mediland? Because our Armagon customized UVC lamp can provide 12,000 hours lamp's lives, and it's absolutely ozone-free. And most importantly, it can generate, for this model, this small one, this is called P1, the small one, 1,200 watts power. And the big one can generate 2,300 watts from the surface. So it can deliver sufficient dosage, UVC dosage, to kill the threat from the surface. And other options, you can buy 200 watts, 100 watts, those products from the internet, actually they can not achieve anything. So everything needs data, statistics, and test report to prove it works. So I will emphasize more about what we've done before we confirm this actually work, and we release the product to help the medical industry. Okay, let's see our patent design. This reflector, this rotational reflector, when you start, it can automatically switch. It can swing to different, make the UVC deliver to the wide range of angles. And most importantly, it can almost double, according to our test, 96% enhance the power to deliver to the surface. So this patent reflector design can help us to make the disinfection process shorter. So we only need 1 to 5 minutes to process the disinfection job. It's very efficiently. Okay, we have many hospital test reports. We cooperate with National Taiwan University, Chang'an University, Jiangsu CDC, CGS, SGS. This is the paper from the National Taiwan University, the NDRO, multi-drug resistant organisms. We used our Hyperlite, and after, for the sample, this one, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, we proved after 15 minutes of total treatment, we can reach to 6 log reductions. That means 99.9999% can be eliminated, okay? And also, because this is emphasized about the contact surveys, so the sample we're collecting to do the culture is actually from the surveys. So you can see there's many samples collecting from the surveys, and after the treatment, almost all of them gone comes to 0. And you can see this picture is very important. Okay, that's to look at the right side. The RNA virus, the influenza A and B, that's H1N1 and flu B. See, after 5 minutes treatment, already have significant reductions. And after 15 minutes, it's all gone, it's all terminated. What about the latest one? We just have this couple months ago. We do the coronavirus test. And we are the first UVC supplier in the world to do the coronavirus test for the UVC. And you can see no exposure at the very beginning after just 1 minute. It's all eliminated. 1 minute. Just take 1 minute. It's super efficient to deal with COVID-19, I have to say. Okay, let's share about the application in Taiwan. Maybe you don't know, 56% of Taiwan medical center already apply our Hyperlite right now. 56%. So that means it already been proved and be acknowledged that our Hyperlite can really do a contribution to reduce the HAI and improve the HAI. Okay, moreover, how about Taiwan Congress, 立法院, also applied our products. And the 慈济, a board, and the office, this wide range, not just hospital, but you can use a lot of different industry. Okay, let's take about the world reference. We already sold to over 30 countries. And what about next? Not just healthy care industry. You can use for the hotel, the facility, the government utility, airport, bus station, train stations, kindergarten, clinic. So use your imaginations. This UVC can apply not just for the healthy industry, but for all the human beings. So we most emphasize about the safety and quickly and effectively. That's the most sales point about this product. And we have C and the ETL US certificate. It's all made in Taiwan. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, send us email. Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you
day.
very much to Mr. Yang for your explicit sharing. Thank you.